February 14, 1945, during World War II, American aircraft carried out an air raid on the city of Prague. According to the official version, the attack happened due to a navigational error. The bombers went off course and mistakenly identified Prague as the German city of Dresden. As a result of the bombing, residential districts were destroyed, hundreds of civilians were killed, and more than 1,000 people were injured. This tragic episode became one of the most controversial chapters of the war and continues to spark debate among historians to this day.